Because we're from Sweden, nature holds a special place in our hearts. It's part of who we are and how we live. It's where we go to re-energize and reconnect. Nature inspires us to create the beauty products we love. But nature is precious, so we need to protect it. We want future generations to enjoy it as much as we do before it's too late. That's why we're doing everything we can to rethink and redo how we make our products. We use 100% green, renewable electricity and protect and plant millions of trees each year. 100% of our paper and cardboard packaging is sustainably sourced. And we're creating more water-friendly, biodegradable beauty products. We've come a long way. Our own manufacturing is already climate neutral. We're not done yet. We're determined to make an even greater difference and become fully sustainable. Let's be part of the solution for a better, more beautiful tomorrow.